Now I'm going to continue on with this Make Code by Microsoft and the new Maker educational plug-and-play system for hardware, and in this case the Microbit as the main processor right here. And I'm going to activate the simulator and show you that this time we've got a motor. In addition to servo, we've got this DC motor simulated. And now I'm going to click on a button and show you that that does things. Gives us a reading of first the soil moisture and then the simulated temperature right here. And then when I click on the simulator again right here on the monitor screen, it shows us LEDs, and the way I've got the program written, you'll see in the link to this program in the video that two things happen when I press the button depending on whether I've got a temperature and a moisture amount more or less. Changes the servo, turns the motor on or off depending on these amounts. Now I'm going to go down and show you that we've got these data being collected right here depending on these different amounts. And I'm going to show you how complex the charting can be using Microsoft Excel. We're saving these as CSV files. I'm just changing the temperature and of the soil. I'm imagining it's a soil temperature, and I'm changing the moisture of the soil, and that's giving us different readings. Now they're coming through on this screen. Now I'll go to the download it as a CSV file. I'm going to open this file, and here it is. Two columns now because we've got moisture and temperature, showing you the data that's been plotted or collected against time. Now if I go to Analyze Data, it's showing us how complicated, how detailed this data that we just now collected in simulation can be. All this charting is created based on these numbers that we collected in simulation using this really lively JACDAC simulation system. A lot of data collected, generated and collected. The URL for this share link of this code will be in the description. It's just basically two inputs, moisture and temperature, and two different outputs, LED lights motor, and actually three outputs, also the servo motor and the DC motor. Video link or code link will be in the description of the video.